let's do a garden update. So this is my pepper and basil bed. Something I want to know about these Chinese 5 colors that's funny to me is on the website it says that it's great for containers. That's pretty big to me. I don't know if that's exactly container size, but they're really thriving, so I'm really happy with them. Here are some Mexican sunflowers. The leaves are so soft. And then some marigolds. My guajillos are doing so well. This plant is actually the tallest pepper plant I have. It sticks up over the entire bed. My serranos are doing well. I'm gonna let a bunch of them get red, and then I'm gonna hang dry them to make chile secos. I'm getting lots of jalapenos. I picked this plant clean the other day, so there's probably not a lot. I'm actually not getting a lot of bell peppers. And then if I'm being so honest, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this blackberry bush because clearly I don't understand how bushes work. Like, what is this? My black-eyed Susans are really dying, and it makes me kind of sad because I don't want to take them out. They're like one of the only flowers I have in the garden right now, so I just want to hold on to them. Like, my garden would be so sad if those were gone too. This bed I worked on this morning, that's a cherry tomato, just a red cherry I think. That's a New Yorker. I put Mexican sunflowers there, and then marigolds there. My zucchini, I'm positive it'll start thriving now that the flowers are not shading it out anymore, but it does look a little bit pitiful for its age. My cucumber's not looking bad from this point. It'll grow really quickly. We have another random New Yorker tomato and a marigold. Now y'all, these are my zinnias that were getting leggy because they weren't getting enough sun, so I put them in a place where they could get sun, but now, I mean, they should be fine, right? Even though they're all like leggy. This is Goldie. She's doing okay. You guys can't see, but I am getting more Queen Violet sunflowers. They're just gonna face the neighbors naturally. This is my black cherry, a marigold, my Bella Rosa, another marigold, my Roma. If I'm being honest, I don't know what that is. Some cherry. My Sweet Millions. I'll never get tired of these clusters. A red cherry, and then a carbon. And then these pots I've kind of just left for the rudbeckias. Like, they just kind of took over. I'm not gonna put a tomato in this, you know, just gonna leave my rudbeckias in there. And my other Bella Rosa plant. That was a hummingbird.